Good morning. Welcome to another Memphis Monday 253. I get 253, week 45 of year 5. We were supposed to, this episode was supposed to be a reupholstering job on a rocking chair, but that job is taken way too long, and we did that potter's table last week, which took way too long, so we're all behind. And I got to thinking, by golly, we haven't done a shop tour in 18 months since Memphis Monday 183, which was 3 June of 2018. So we're well overdue. So what I'm going to do is we'll take a quick overview of the shop, and then I'm going to concentrate on 16 shop improvement programs, shop improvement projects that we've completed over that 18 months. But we're not going to get anything done unless we do what? That's right. We need to knock off the chit chat and get to work. Here's a little overview of my shop. It's very large, well lit. All my equipment's on wheels. I have massive amounts of storage. This is only part of it. Got massive drawers on all my equipment. I have a planer, drum sander, 2 band saws, 2 chop saws, joiners, routers. I can't think of anything else I need. Let's go through our shop improvement projects since our last shop tour. First one is from Memphis Monday 183. I'll put links in the description for these various projects. This cabinet is on wheels. Router is correctly positioned up here. It's got built-in dust collection, and it's got this little pantry shelf arrangement where you could put stuff in there. I have put some blades in there. It's about all I have. I might be the only guy with drawers and shelves with nothing on them. This is the router table with dust collection. It too has built-in dust collection, plenty of drawers, 3 drawers for all that stuff. This has a nice feature. It's got a trap door where you can get down into the dust collection and fiddle with the shop vac if you want to. It also is on wheels, and it's 100% oak. All woodworkers have to have too many clamps, and I've never seen too many clamps. In Memphis Monday 90, we built this clamp rack for our pipe clamps, our bar clamps, our small clamps, and this has been a very good addition. Memphis Monday 203, we installed this 25-inch drum sander. I got it at auction real cheap because they thought it was broken, and we actually did a repair video, I think, on it. I think it might have been 203, but it turns out it wasn't broken. And the installation involved just building that rolling platform it's on and installing the dust collection. The dust collection comes down here and goes into that fan right there and then blows outside. That is the only piece of equipment I have on that central vacuuming system now. In Memphis Monday 209, we put in this deck railing on our south deck. In Memphis Monday 213, we built these oak drawers, these large oak drawers for this workbench, which really gave it a very nice look. But importantly, I now have these huge drawers underneath my workbench, and I can now store all my stuff in these drawers without having to reach up underneath on those shelves that were there before. These have worked out really nice. These are high dollar drawers, 100% pull-out drawer slides. Very nice addition to the shop. Memphis Monday 223, we built this huge chop saw table. It also has built-in dust collection, 4 oak drawers, 100% pull-out. It's on wheels, and we didn't know if it was going to work or not, but these wings here are removable. This one's stuck in. This one's stuck in right now, but you can take these, pull these wings out of the saw, and for storage if you want to. We didn't know if this was going to work. We thought maybe they'd sag, but they never have. That other one kind of stuck itself in because I put some polyurethane on it and it kind of glued itself down. But these things come out like this. And so you could store the thing without those things sticking out. Of course, I don't have to in my shop because it's so big. But in Memphis Monday 324, we built this oak 3-step stool. I was using it on the floor for a long time, but it's turned out to be very convenient to keep it up on my workbench here, and I can put stuff up on it. In Memphis Monday 229, we built this old-time Carpenter's toolbox. Importantly, we put it together with nails, which is traditional, and made it out of stuff that's commonly available on the job site. And the only reason I included it in this video is because I've actually used it on jobs. Memphis Monday 236, we reinforced these shelves. I originally built these a couple of years ago, and I made them real lightweight because I was only going to keep camping gear on them. Well, that didn't work. I ended up putting firewood and bags of concrete and wood and everything else on them, so I had to reinforce them. And what that entailed was basically taking 2x2s and putting them all around the framing and doubling up the framing so that the shelves are now heavy duty instead of lightweight. In Memphis Monday 237, we built this new assembly table. It consists of two rolling platforms that have these double drawers on both sides. Let's get around on the other side. Let's see the drawers. And within the drawers, was supposed to be this week's project. I thought it was going to be an upholstering job. I got all my upholstery stuff out here. But I had to restore the framework of the chair, so this job has taken twice as long as I thought it was going to. Its drawers are kind of special. Top drawer is just a drawer, and the bottom drawer has these nice little takeout shelves in them, so you can store stuff down in there and also put stuff in the shelf. And all four of these big drawers have that. In Memphis Money 240, we built this deck underneath our east shed roof. So if you want to see how I'd build a deck that's only 4 inches off the ground, sometimes called a platform deck, go to Memphis Money 240. Memphis Money 244, we built these. We designed and built these new sawhorses here. I'm pretty proud of them because they're super heavy duty. They're made from a 4x4 across the top, but they're you can take them apart. See, the thing slides in there, and of course you remember the corner. This corner shed roof we built with the hip roof. We basically connected our south shed roof with our east shed roof with this corner shed roof here. Not taking any chances with this. This thing sort of sits out on the southeast corner of the shop. So these are two 4x6s bound together for the corner post. It's all held down with double hurricane clips. And everything is heavy duty and built with steel. Tried to make it indestructible. And in Memphis Money 250, we built this two-sided chalkboard. Basically showed you how to put this edging around here by putting a dado along the inside of the trim and then wrapping it around the plywood. Makes the whole thing real strong. I really like having this. It's something, I can keep my to-do lists on. These are upcoming projects. There's last week's project. This was this week's project, but we ran out of time. Restoration of a trunk. We still need to build a deck. Got some picture frames, and so forth and so on. So, well, that does it for Memphis Monday 253. Today we took a little shop tour and went over all our shop improvement projects over the last 18 months. If you have any questions, put them in the comments and maybe we'll have a Memphis Answers. Who knows? But I'm going to try to put a link in the bottom, in the description down there, of the various projects we went over today. So in case you want to build something like that, you can go right to the link. Okay, that's all I have. Comment, like, and favorite, and all the stuff you do on the internet. Most important, make sure you're back here next week for another exciting Memphis Monday. Thanks for playing along.